Everybody's bringing flowers for Peggy. Her youngest grandson even bought her a balloon. She draws the curtains back and turns off the telly, and we shout, hooray for Peggy. These flowers are for you. She puts her family first, that's how they all survived. Now she's holding up the traffic on a Sunday morning drive. That's how I know what everybody's bringing. Everybody's bringing. Everybody's bringing. Everybody.
No treasure, I'm not hidden on your island. I'm your blue sky. I'm always bright, but